In previous whiteboard lectures, I have shown the C style programming that I have adopted in my course. And also I have shown you how to convert a C language code to C++. Now in this demonstration lectures, I will show you various styles of programming, writing a simple monolithic program to a object-oriented program. So you watch all these demo lectures step by step, one by one in the same order, and also practice these things, right? This will give you the idea of various styles of programming. So in this demo lecture, I will show you the first style, that is monolithic style of programming. The program that I am going to write is to finding the area and perimeter of a rectangle, and I will be taking length and breadth as input from the user. Again I repeat, I am going to find area and perimeter of a rectangle. So let us start the program. See, as it is a monolithic program, everything I will write inside main function. So for rectangle, I need two variables, integer length as well as breadth. Okay, and these I will initialize them to 0, right? Initial values I will keep them as 0. Then I should take input length and input breadth. So I will use printf enter length and breadth. This is the C language function. Now cin length breadth. See, I have mixed C language and C++ code because both the libraries I am including iostream and stdio.h, and the type of program, the project is C++ project. All right. So I am writing like this because you feel comfortable with both C and C++. Okay. So I am taking length and breadth. So reading length and breadth. Then after that, I should calculate area and perimeter. So I will declare a variable area, and in this I will calculate length multiply by breadth. So this will give area. All right. Then also I will calculate perimeter. So I will give the short name peri, and this is 2 into length plus breadth. All right. Then I will print the result. So printf area is equal to %d and /n, then perimeter equal to %d and /n, and here I will pass area as well as perimeter as parameter. So this will be printing area and the value of area, then it will go to next line, right? New line, perimeter, then it will show the perimeter and go to next line. That's it. This is a simple program. I will run the program and show you. See, enter length and breadth. So length is 10 and breadth is 5. So I got area as 50 and the perimeter is 30. That's it. This is a simple program, and I can finish the program within few lines of code. I have taken a very simple task so that you can observe the style of programming rather than focusing on the problem. You can focus on style of programming. All right. So this is a very simple task. Now one question may arise, some student may get confused. Already you are reading length and breadth here, then why you are initializing them? So it's a good practice. Whenever you declare a variable, you initialize them. All right. It's a good practice so that you can avoid any problems that may cause due to mistyping or carelessness of a programmer, right? So initialize it beforehand. No doubt we are reading them, right? It is just like you have cooked and prepared an omelette, then you will take it in a serving plate and you will eat it, right? So eating plate is different and cooking plate is different. Anyway, you are going to eat, so you can directly eat it from the cooking pan, right? So the question is just as simple as that, right? This is similar to that. So better initialize it beforehand. Then after that you read the values. If you're not reading, then what are the values there inside? They will have garbage values. So better there should be something in that. So in a big size programs, you may face problems if you don't initialize the variables. That's it. So this is a monolithic program that I have done. Now in the next video, I will use the same program and I will modify it, and I will show you modular programming or programming using functions. So that's all in this video. Write down this program and be ready to watch the next lecture.